Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Cuddle, and I have Sep here with me. Right now, we're at the Hong Ying School in Leiden, in Holland, and we are at training camp, and we wanted to share one of our butterfly knife combinations with you guys. So grab your butterfly knives, and let's get to work. Now for this combination, we're going to be starting already in the flipped position, so rather than having the blades like this, we're going to turn them over. And we're going to go to a horse stance position. Take your blades, and then we're going to bring them both up, in, then we're going to flatten them out, turn side, and to the other side. So let's try that again. We're going to go up, in, flatten them out, turn side, other side. Let's do it again. Ready? And up, in, side, side. So when you guys are working on this technique, let's see it one more time, Seth. You're going to make sure that you always keep the blades right up against the arms for using your waist rotation and keeping yourself safe. Even though you're holding this weapon, you want to make sure you're not going to get yourself. Okay? And one more time together, we're going to go up, in, flatten them out, side, and side. All right, so there you have it. A nice, easy combination using the butterfly knives in the reverse position. For Sep and myself, Sifu Cuddle, we'll see you guys next time. Ready? Bam!
Bam! Fist with a forward.